Hello, this video will show you how to upload your studio logo to the Flex ordering software and then submit it to ACI for a logo test. Please go ahead and open up the Flex ordering software. Once you get to the home screen, make sure that you have your account number here and log in because the logo is tied to your account number. Go ahead and click on the main catalog, photo prints, and then click on logo prints. Once in there, go ahead and click on that red area at the top. Please note that you do need to design your logo ahead of time as a 4-inch by 3-inch at 250 dpi. Please fill your 4x3 as full as possible with your logo to make sure that it is sized appropriately when we drop it. Next, go ahead and take your logo and drop it here. Add that to the cart. Then go below and select the free test print for 8x10 logo. Go ahead and take your image, drop it in there, and then add that to the cart. When you get into the shopping cart, just go ahead and type in test print for logo. Don't forget to initial the order and hit complete and send. If you have questions, please reach out to us at 1-800-728-2722. Thank you.